Recently, I ran a thumbnail test on a YouTube video that seemed to have an unusual impact on the video's overall view count, and I'd love your help in figuring out what happened. The video was performing well, but suddenly the views dropped off only to recover later, so here's the chain of events. As some of you know, YouTube lets you post 3 different versions of a thumbnail to see which one attracts the most viewers. After the test concludes, the thumbnail with the best click-through rate is declared the winner and shown to all potential viewers. Now for the specifics. I ran a thumbnail test for this particular video, and at the end of the test, 2 thumbnails had very similar click-through rates, about 40% each, while the third lagged behind at 20%. Despite the competition, this thumbnail was declared the winner. But curiosity got the better of me. After a day or so, I decided to run a second test, this time pitting the 2 top performing thumbnails against each other to see which one would come out on top. Here's where things took an unexpected turn. Shortly after starting the second test, the video's total view count took a noticeable drop, as you can see in this graph. This caught my attention because I've never encountered anything like it before, and I started to wonder, did the algorithm get a little grumbly when I changed the declared winner? So I switched back to the original winning thumbnail a few hours later, and the views started climbing again. If you look at this graph, you'll see the sequence. The video was performing well. The second test started right around here. The views went down. I went back to the original thumbnail right around here, and the views increased. Now I'm left with a few questions. Did I upset the algorithm by overriding its declared winner? Was running a second test too soon after the first one a mistake? Why did the views pick up when I switched back to the original? Was I too impatient? Or was something interesting uncovered about consecutive thumbnail tests? I'd love to hear your thoughts. Have you ever experienced anything like this? Make sure to let me know your thoughts in the comments. And please feel free to share this video since I'm curious to see if other creators have had similar experiences.